yoga is a practice that you're supposed to do every day. In other words, I want that, but then there's a feeling inside of like, I don't think I can have that. It prepares you for any events in life that come up, whether those are surprises, whether those events are happy or sad. It allows you to appreciate what it is you do have, to let go of the things that are meant to be let go of, to not hold on, and to just not have attachments in life, which is generally how you remain happy, is to be in the present and not be attached to events that are moving around you.